Having seen the introduction to the snake game with a twist that we are building for the YByte Python curriculum available at www.ybyte.in, let's get started. Now, as I mentioned, we are going to use Python Turtle for this purpose. Hence, I've created a template REPL with Turtle. And as a result, it imports a Turtle. I'm just going to add a few more modules to this, which we are going to need later on. So I'm just going to say right away, import, let's say random. Now we need this because those food items must go to random places. And I'm also going to import to this the module called time because we need this to create the weight in the movements. Now having done this, I'm going to move forward. This creates a turtle, so I'm going to go with that. This turtle T will become my snake head. All I'm going to do is that I'm going to just give it a shape, which is, let's say, a square. Now clearly T dot shape gives me a lot of options. I could have chosen triangle, circle, in fact we can also define our own shapes. It takes a bit more work, but we could do that. But I'm just going to create a square here, and I'm also going to give it a color of, let's say, blue. Now really this doesn't matter, you can choose to give any color, but just for the sake of my game, I'm just going to give it blue color. Now this will, as we know, create a turtle object for us. Place it right in the center in a square shape in blue color. Now, one statement that may be needed for your games and is good to add is this statement called turtle dot. So turtle dot done. Now this ensures that your turtle window does not disappear after all these commands are over. Now let's just run this much so that we understand what's going on. As expected, I see a turtle standing right there in the middle in square shape. Now this is going to be my snake head. I'm going to call it T, and the turtle window stays once even when the program is over. That's because of this turtle dot done. Now we are going to move forward with this activity, building other aspects of it. For example, the movement of the snake head, giving it turnings and so on. We'll do that step by step in the next video onwards. I hope you found this useful. In general, if you think this way of learning by building activities is fun, is engaging, look at our website because we have many, many, many such projects. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.